5 seconds. Start. In every field of life, whether it is education, business, science, or daily communication, the ability to express thoughts clearly and quickly is important. Full point. Typing is one such skill that helps in expressing ideas efficiently. Full point. With the growth of computers, smartphones, and the internet, typing has become a basic requirement for most jobs and studies. Full point. The ability to type fast and accurately saves time, improves productivity, and helps in better communication. Full point. In earlier days, letters and reports were handwritten, which required a lot of effort and time. Full point. Mistakes meant rewriting whole pages. Full point. With the arrival of typewriters, writing became faster, but corrections were still difficult. Full point. Today, with computers and modern software, typing has become more convenient than ever before. Full point. Errors can be corrected instantly, documents can be formatted easily, and the same text can be shared with many people in just a few seconds. Full point. Next para. Typing is not only about pressing keys, it is about developing a flow. Full point. Touch typing, where the typist uses all fingers without looking at the keyboard, is considered the most efficient method. Full point. This technique allows the person to focus on the content rather than the keys. Full point. In the beginning, it may feel slow, but with practice, speed and accuracy improve significantly. Full point. For students, typing skills are highly valuable. Full point. Assignments, comma, projects, comma, research papers, comma, and even exams in some cases require computer usage. Full point. A student who can type quickly is able to complete tasks faster and with fewer errors. Full point. For professionals, typing is essential in preparing emails, comma, reports, comma, presentations, and various documents. Full point. In fields like journalism, comma, law, comma, medical, transcription, and software development, fast and accurate typing can make a big difference in performance. Full point. The process of learning typing requires patience. Full point. At first, the hands may feel uncomfortable and the mind may struggle to remember the key positions. Full point. However, with the regular practice, the movements become natural. Full point. It is important to maintain the correct posture while typing. Full point. The back should be straight. The feet should be flat on the floor and the wrists should be slightly above the keyboard. Full point. This helps in avoiding strain and injury over time. Full point. Typing also plays a big role in communication. Full point. In the modern world, much of our communication happens in written form or through emails, comma, messages and social media posts, full point. Being able to type quickly allows a person to respond promptly and effectively, full point. This is especially useful in workplaces where timely communication can impact decisions and results, full point.